Hey, what's up, Reef Finance coin holder? This time about the Reef Finance completely on the trending. The price is increasing now. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring, my friend, is going to be positive now. But in last 1 hour, they will fails down. So don't worry, my friend. This is short fails. Don't see, my friend. This short fails definitely after a short fails, they will also wake up. Remember, my brothers, to all cryptocurrencies will fails down, my friend. And those days, especially, my friend, this time about the Shiba Inu, my friend, BTC also fails down. So kindly, my brother, absolutely, if you have any plan to invest more this time and refinance, so I think this is one of the good time, my brothers, to you invest now. 25.52% level profit, my friend, in last 1 month, and the price is 0.01 USD dollar. The current price is 0.018992 USD dollar, but this is the highest price, as you can see, whether 0.019363 USD dollar. So I think they will fail us down, my friend, but kindly holder, if you have any plan to invest more, so I'm 100% sure, my brother, especially when short term investors stop selling, so the price will be moving upward. So please hold it, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I am 100% sure they will give you a profit at the end of August now. Please don't sell it, hold it. If you just only hold for 1 month, so I am 100% sure, my brothers, to at the end of month they will give you a profit. And remember, to in the last 10 days of every month, my brother, all currencies will wake up and moving upward. So this is the start of month. So remember, my brothers, to in the start of month every coin will fails down, because they're short term investor, they are starting selling and they cannot, my friend, hold now. So please buy it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.